I'll try and get it when they got the tails fanned out. They are huge, like a Japanese fan. Happy Jack. I like it.